Hi guys, if you want to stop Discord from opening on a startup in Windows 11, then let's see how to do it. To disable Discord on a startup, on the Discord app, simply click on the user settings icon. And now from the left menu, scroll down. And from the app settings section, click on Windows settings. And now in the Windows settings, under the System Startup Behavior section, you will see the option Open Discord. You have to simply turn it off. So simply turn it off. And once you turn it off, these both options will be disabled. And from now on, the Discord app will not appear when your system starts. You can also disable Discord on a startup using the Task Manager. So for that, first of all, right click on the taskbar and then go to Task Manager. And now on the Task Manager, go to the Startup Apps section. And now under the Startup Apps, find discord.exe or update.exe or find the app with Discord logo. Here I have an app update.exe with the Discord logo. So once you find the app, you have to make sure it is disabled here. And if it is enabled, then to disable it, simply right click on the app and then select the disable option and it will be disabled. And once you disable the Discord app from a startup apps in Task Manager, from now on Discord will not appear when your system starts. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily stop Discord from opening on a startup in Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.